Guys, CoolKid24 here, and I'm doing a slime review. And here's a slime, and this purple and this purple are the same exact one. I just took that out to show. See, and we just made these so they're nice and fresh, except for this one. This one is a couple days old, but
no, not really.
No?
It's still good.
Yeah, it still is. Okay, and get some Baker's dozen. Go to there. It's good. So, we'll be trying these slimes and seeing how they are. Hopefully they're not sticking to the table, which they are not. Yep. Okay, so, do you want to go first, Chris?
Sure.
Okay. Chris, which one would you like to start with first? The blue. Okay. How does it feel? Soft? Hard?
Yeah, it's soft.
Soft? Let's see. Oh yeah, it's soft. It's nice. You can feel the borax in there though. Yeah, right? Can you feel the borax in there?
Yeah.
Me too. Okay. Yep, so next is my turn. I will try the green. The green is softer than the blue, and you don't feel the borax as much.
Wait, you don't?
No. Try it.
You can still feel. I can still feel the borax.
Yeah, but not as much, right?
About the same.
Yeah. It's wrong.
I just hit this one.
Here you go. And next will be, what do you want to do? Purple?
No.
The yellow? Okay. There you go. The yellow, you can feel more borax, right? If you squeeze it hard.
Same.
No, you can feel more, I feel like. And it's like, it's not as soft as the green, but softer than the blue, right?
Yeah.
And they're all like bubbling up.
Why are they bubbling?
I don't know. It's a good question, Chris.
See a bubble there. See a bubble there.
Yeah. Well, I just popped them. Any other bubbles? Anywhere? You want to be popped? What do you want to go? Red next?
There's a bubble on the yellow. Here.
On the blue? Where?
Sure.
No.
I'll go next.
Okay. No, red next, you mean?
No, not red.
Purple.
Yeah. Oh, just cut it out of there. Why are you just cutting it through there? Just take a handful of it. Oh, you're bending the knife. Just do that.
Here you go.
Ugh. Oh, sticky.
Yeah, this one.
The camera.
Yeah. This one has a lot of borax.
Yes, a lot. Oh my god, it's so sticky.
I know, it feels so good though, right?
Yeah, but I hate when it sticks to me. See, look, if you just hold it there. Look at that.
No. You guys see the borax in it?
Here, can you guys see little tiny white particles?
No, it's not looking good. Okay. Can you put it out? We'll go red next.
Hang on.
Red.
If you squeeze it, look at. You know how it's supposed to stick? You just leave it there. Squeeze it. Nothing.
Now we're doing the red. Last one. Here you go. Oh, you can feel a tiny bit of borax. Actually, a lot. Right?
Yeah.
And it's hard. It's good for, what's one call it? What's it called, Chris? Stress balls? They're good.
Yeah,
you can make stress balls with them. And if you go to my school, which you know if you do, and if you do, I'll be selling them. I don't know the prices yet, but we're going to figure that out today. And thank you for watching. Chris, do you have to say anything?
Yeah.
No? Okay.
I do have to say one thing.
Okay. Goodbye. Thank you. Please subscribe and like, comment. See you next video.
Wait,